bit there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The best thing about working with Modern Space is that I'm learning so much about what I didn't know before.
Working with the Modern Space team in Haarlem is a great joy every day. The various cultures, various countries where you have to work with, various people.
We are global. A lot of companies don't have a lot of resources in the various parts of the world. I think that is one of the best things at Modern Space.
The other important part, I think, is response to customers quickly. Keeping your client informed where we are and when we're going to reach what they require.
We have a lot of experience in our team, so we can service our customers very well.
We're constantly trying to improve ourselves, and we know where we want to go.
Our clients have long-lasting relationships with Modern Space because we are reliable.
It's open, honest, direct, and that's why we are extremely flexible.
For me, the main direction is always do the right thing, and that's what I try to implement into whoever I work with.
All good?